Ross is my name.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is probably one of my most exciting videos because I've been waiting long time to make this video in particular. This is my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I did reach 10,000 subscribers a couple months ago, I think like a month or two ago, and I was just waiting for the right time to film this video, to get the stuff and to get everything together for you guys. So I'm sorry for the delay, but we're here now and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be showing all of the stuff at the end of the video because I wanted to go over the rules and what you guys have to do to enter this giveaway. But before I get started, I just wanted to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for getting me to this point. I never ever in a million years thought that I would get to this point, and it doesn't sound like a lot to some people, but to me it's huge for me personally, because I remember starting my channel, reaching 100, and I was like, you know what, 200 and I'm good, 500, and so I just kept raising it up, and I was like, when I reach 1,000 I'm gonna be like set, like 1,000. I you know, that was a lot for me. So to get 10,000 at this point, I'm so blessed, I'm so excited, and I just can't thank you guys enough for all the love and support that you guys have shown me throughout the years. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys, and I wanted to share a little bit of that with you guys right now, doing this little giveaway. If it was up to me, I would give something to each and every one of you guys, but it's not possible, so this is just a little something. There will be giveaways in the future, so be on the lookout for that. And yes, I will say that a lot of the stuff that I bought is more girly per se. 90% of my viewers are girls, so I just figured there would be a higher possibility that a girl would win. But not to say that any other stuff a guy wouldn't like either. But if you are a winner and you know you don't mess around with makeup and stuff like that, then you can always give this to somebody. Give it as a gift, give it to your nieces, give it to a sister, a mother. I think the stuff that I got is something that anyone would really be happy to have. So don't be discouraged, anyone can enter, you can enter. So let's get started with the rules. The first one, of course, is to be subscribed to my channel. Also, if you're underage, make sure that you have your parents' permission to enter. Make sure that your parents know that you're entering this giveaway, because I will need your address to send all this stuff out. So make sure that's actually like number one. Number two is to be subscribed to my channel. Of course, this is for my subscribers. I want a subscriber to win this. I will say you can get extra submissions if you follow me on other social media accounts. I always link them down below, so you know, just keep that in mind. But do you have to? No, as long as you're subscribed to my channel, that's more than enough and you will be entered. The third thing I wanted to say is that this is going to be US only. Most of my viewers are from the US. It is a little bit trickier right now, especially with everything going on, to ship stuff out that is further. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it US based only. I hope that is okay. Hopefully in the future I can add international as well. But like I said, most of my viewers are from the US, so I'm not really too worried about that. But I'm sorry for all my international viewers. There will be giveaways for you guys coming soon. The next thing you need to do is like the video, give it a thumbs up, just so I know that you want me to do more giveaways. And the last thing, which is really important, and I will link all of these down below so you guys don't forget, comment something down below that you're looking forward to. With everything going on right now, I feel like we need stuff to look forward to and things that we're excited for. So it could literally be anything. You could be excited to eat lunch, you know, like you can be excited to go back to school, you can be excited to be on summer break. I know a lot of you guys are already on summer break, right? I wouldn't know because I'm taking classes still, but anything you're looking forward to, literally anything. Like, I'm gonna see my sister, I'm looking forward to taking a nap, like anything, and that will automatically get you entered. That's how I know that you guys want to be a part of the giveaway. That's how I'm gonna be able to randomize it all and pick a winner. So make sure to comment down below if you want to be entered in the giveaway. And that's pretty much it. I was a little bit all over the place, so I'm gonna be listing everything I said down below so you guys don't forget any of the rules or anything like that. So make sure to look down below if you have any questions or any concerns. And I'm most likely gonna announce it on my Instagram. That's why I want you guys to follow me on there. And I will come back to this video and post the winner underneath on the description box. But if you want to know like exactly when I announce the winner, go to my Instagram. So that's a big important point. I'm gonna make this giveaway go on for 2 weeks. So you guys have 2 weeks to enter. For all the people that are busy that can't get to this video right away, so when I post this video 2 weeks after that, I have the exact dates here when I know, because I'm not sure when this video is going live. So you know, this is the period you have to enter the giveaway, and I will be shipping the stuff out ASAP. So that is basically it for that. I hope you guys all enter, and yeah, let's just get started with what I'm giving away. The first thing I'm giving away is this Polaroid. It is the Mini 7S, and I got it in this beautiful blue color. I love this color, and I thought this was so cute. This can be something that anyone will pretty much love, I feel like. So I figured I would include this. It comes with some film in the back, but I also got y'all this little kit that goes with it. This has the cover. It is in a light pink. They didn't have other colors really, so I hope that whoever gets this doesn't mind this light pink color. But I think it's so cute. It comes with the camera case, and then it has a selfie lens. It has 64 picture photo albums. It has 4 colorful filters, 5 picture frames, 1 hanging frame set, and 40 decorative sticker frames. So I thought this was a really cute kit that would look so cute with this camera. Next thing I'm so excited to give away is the 350. I love the 3501, the first one, the second one, and I actually don't have the third one. So when I saw it, I was like, I need this for them. I love these palettes. Morphe has really upped their game when it comes to pigmentation and quality. So I thought this was a perfect addition. There's a lot of neutrals. I think it would go good with any skin color, and I thought you guys would really enjoy this. I kind of stuck to this Morphe theme and essentials that you guys would need, especially for anyone starting out or anyone that loves makeup. I thought this was perfect for a lot of people. So I got the palette. I also got y'all this little kit. It's the eye stunners. It has 6 pieces of eye brushes, so it's literally everything you need to create an eye look, and I thought it was perfect with this palette. So if you guys don't have the essentials, if you want to get into makeup, you know, this is a perfect starter kit. These brushes are bomb. I have a lot of Morphe brushes, and they're one of my favorites, so I figured what better than to get y'all some brushes. I also took the liberty to get y'all a sponge. This is my favorite sponge ever. It beats for me the OG, the original one. I forgot the name, but you know which one I'm talking about. I love this one because it has a sharp edge, you know, to clean up the makeup. So I thought it would be perfect. So got y'all this Morphe spray. This is their setting mist. It is bomb, comparable to the All Nighter. So I thought you guys would like this as well. I know you guys see a lot of YouTubers rave about it, and there is a reason for that. And last but not least, I got you guys my favorite lashes. These are the Ardell Fox wispies. So the reason I love these compared to the original is because the hairs look way more natural. They look so freaking bomb. I think they match a bunch of eye shapes. They're not too crazy. They're not too like lifeless. I feel like they look good with a bunch of makeup looks, and it has 4 lashes. And of course I got you guys my favorite glue. This is the Duo, and this sets in 60 seconds or even less than that, and it dries in clear. So I figured this was perfect for all you guys, and I wanted to add a little touch of something that I personally love as well. So I thought whoever got this would really enjoy this little combo as well. And that is everything that I got for this giveaway. Again, if you guys want to be entered, make sure to check down the description box so you guys don't forget any of the rules. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lot of fun entering. Again, let me know what you're looking forward to, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Again, thank you. It makes me so happy to be able to give back, even if it's just a little bit right now. I'm really looking forward to keep growing and keep doing stuff like this for you guys because I just love you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good luck to everyone. I'm so excited to see who wins. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.